What's up, guys? It's your boy. Welcome to another episode. So I did finish the Tacoma. So this is what I did to it so far. I did just finish detailing it, trying to paint correct it as much as possible. You can see it kind of clears. Haven't put the tints on yet. Changed the antenna, changed the suspension. Haven't done the lights yet. But other than that, it's the small minor things. Other than that, like the lights and what else? Lights and tints. That's really what's just left to do. But as far as that goes, this is it. I did put the bed back on too. The whole bottom is finally, coated through. Yeah, this is how she says now. I mean, it would look way better with some tints, but I did put the new suspension. The old suspension was pretty beat up. I'm assuming it probably raised it. The new suspension probably raised it by like an inch, probably more in the back. I know in the back I raised up a bit. Yeah, 1998 Toyota Tacoma. And I got the yellow tags for it. I mean, the whole car is black. I think it gives it a nice touch to it. Installed the toolbox back bit. I didn't clean the toolbox. Also, didn't get a chance to clean that. But those are, like I said, those are small minor things that, other than that, everything kind of did come out. The part that was messed up here, remember I showed you guys, painted it through, came out real good. I didn't take the dent out, pop it out, just left it there, just kind of, buffed it down, sanded down to the bare metal. And, you could barely tell. You can tell when you're up close and you really notice it, but from far you really can't tell because it's all black. But, yeah, same procedures. I just sanded it down, painted, primed it, and stuff like that. So, yeah. Fresh inspection and emission. New wipers. The inside is pretty clean, super clean. I know the dash, I know some of these cars, the dash on them are just all beat up and chewed up. This is a very, very, very clean car. Here, let me show you the inside. What I did to the engine. I did change the valve cover, spark plugs, and I did clean the bay a bit, added a little bit of touch to it, added the new cap, oil cap from Amazon, pretty cheap. I did try to paint the valve cover to a wrinkle black. Some of it came out flat and some of it came out wrinkled. I don't know if you can tell, but it looks good. Way better than what it was before. NGK spark plugs, wires, new oil change, filter, cleaned out the mass airflow sensor, and just gave the car a good wash. Cleaned the battery and everything. There's some parts, like you see this, but it works though. It's not leaking. It's just from the outside. But yeah. This is how she says now. But yeah, guys, so just the headlights are missing, and the headlights aren't bad. I just need to buff them out. About the shorty antenna, because the big one I didn't like it too much. Just and also I removed the SR5 that was here before. I don't know if you can tell. It came out pretty good. You can't barely even tell. I don't even see it anymore, to be honest with you. You can. You see it right there. But that's, I mean, you gotta really stare at it. I bought the rear bumper, all black. Yeah, so that's the truck. I mean, everything's finished after that. I mean, you know, like I said, I know you guys watched the painting process of the frame. So the frame is good to go for like probably a good 10 plus years. Yeah, and that was it. I mean, the suspension was the worst part. It was pretty beat up. The engine came out pretty great also. Other than that, there's nothing wrong with the car. And then I also have a picture of the internals when I removed the valve cover, and it's like gold. So I mean, you know somebody's properly taking care of the engine when it's like pretty much gold inside. I don't know if some of you guys know, but when, you know, as far as you looking for an engine, like when you're looking for a junkyard engine or something like that, and it's gold inside, you know it's been properly taken care of. No gunk, no dark spots, no burns on the cams or anything. And it looked real good inside. I'll even post a picture. To show you what it looked like. I was surprised it looked like that also. So yeah, and also did clean the intake. I mean the throttle body. It wasn't too bad, but yeah. This is it. And I do need to put the spare back on, but other than that, she's good to go. And as you can tell, like, she's good to go. Like, the new suspension really helped out, like, tremendously. This is it, guys. Finished product, ready to go. I was thinking about keeping it, but let's just go ahead and sell it. I mean, it makes a good daily driver for someone, you know, that probably wants to haul a couple things around. Car would not fail you or anything, so. Yeah, and as far as like, you know, I just need to clean the rug, the seats and stuff like that, but that's just, you know, as far as like, you know, any cracks, rips, nothing like that. Everything looks real good. Top is crazy, brand new pretty much. So I'm pretty excited about that. Oh yeah, added a little bit of touch to me. To mine's the 4-star Dragon Ball. But yeah, that's it right there. So. Here, let me close this off. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And remember to subscribe and you know, share the videos. This is a 1998 Toyota Tacoma and 2020. So this is what it looks like if you was to really, you know, restore one. Or I mean, I know if you restore one, it look way better, but you know, professionally. But you know, as far as, you know, in your garage, you know, something that, you know, you could do at home, DIY, or, you know, something you could just buy. And then, you know, if you decide to buy a Tacoma, this is what it look like somewhat. This is the first gen. So. All right, guys. Peace.